This is how she made millions with an app. A physical therapist, no coding experience, no technical co-founder, no venture capital at first. Most aspiring founders believe you need programming skills to create a SaaS business, or that launching requires hundreds of thousands in funding. Heidi Ojha shattered that assumption completely. As a physical therapist, she spotted a massive healthcare problem and created a platform to solve it. Bootstrapped it to $30,000 monthly recurring revenue, raised $3 million, scaled to serve over 15,000 people. This is one of those zero to millionaire stories that proves everything you thought about building software is wrong. I'm breaking down exactly how she accomplished this. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Fariha, a doctor who quit medicine to build a tech startup, and I'm building it completely in public, sharing everything along the way. Here's what Heidi discovered. Working as a physical therapist and orthopedic specialist, watching the same pattern repeat endlessly. Patients undergoing surgeries they didn't require. Expensive imaging procedures revealing nothing useful. Employers hemorrhaging millions for treatments providing zero benefit. But here's the critical insight. Her first thought wasn't, let me hire developers. Instead, let me validate this problem is worth solving. So she targeted self-insured employers, companies paying employee health care directly from their budget. Every unnecessary surgery hits their finances immediately. Heidi recognized she could save them millions. Therefore, the perfect customer emerged. But a challenge remained. Zero technical background, no programming knowledge, no tech co-founder waiting in the wings. So she decided to build an MVP without code. Completely. All without touching a single programming language. This is exactly what no-code millionaire founders do differently. They don't waste $50,000 to $100,000 on developers before validating demand. They test with real customers first. And if this story is helping you see what's possible with no code, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Because every week we break down AI-based SaaS ideas, validation, and how you can go from idea to paying customers. Here's what typical entrepreneurs miss. She avoided perfectionism. Instead, she launched the minimum viable solution to test actual willingness to pay. And employers opened their wallets. Monthly recurring revenue hit $25,000 to $30,000 quickly. Small and medium self-insured companies started subscribing because she delivered genuine cost savings. Preventing one surgery meant $50,000 to $100,000 saved. Therefore, the platform paid for itself after stopping just one or two procedures. This reveals the first major lesson. Validation doesn't require coding skills. It requires solving a problem expensive enough that people will pay to eliminate it. She pitched the problem, not her platform. Walking into enterprise meetings, she skipped product demos. Instead, she discussed the $2 million they were wasting on unnecessary procedures. Data came first. Therefore, the conversation shifted from software purchase to stopping financial hemorrhaging. Now, before we get to how she scaled this to millions, drop a comment below telling me, what problem in your industry could you solve with a no-code app? I read every single comment and I'm genuinely curious. Heidi's value proposition was straightforward. You'll prevent unnecessary surgeries. You'll preserve millions. The results speak clearly. Enterprise contracts signed, scaled to 17 corporate clients, reached $2 million in annual recurring revenue from committed agreements. All because she grasped that B2B customers purchase outcomes, not features. This surfaces the second critical lesson. If you're wondering how to create a SaaS business with AI or any technology, here's the truth. The technology doesn't matter nearly as much as the business outcome you deliver. Technical limitations become irrelevant when you articulate business value clearly. Most entrepreneurs at this stage make a predictable mistake: raise massive capital, hire aggressively, chase every conceivable opportunity, scale at any cost. Heidi chose a radically different path. She operated with relentless discipline, declined opportunities frequently, avoiding shiny object syndrome. Therefore, when she finally secured her $3 million seed round in 2024, profitability was already achieved. She deployed it to expand tele-rehab services, develop AI-driven diagnostic algorithms, double her client base beyond 15,000 eligible members. But here's the crucial distinction. Fundraising happened because she wanted to scale, not because survival demanded it. Capital amplified something already functioning. This unveils the third lesson. Discipline trumps passion in startup longevity. Passionate entrepreneurs often ignore fundamentals, burn through runway, accept every distraction, scale prematurely. Heidi balanced her healthcare mission with business fundamentals, understanding that depleting capital helps nobody. Not her team, not her corporate clients, not the patients she aimed to serve. So sustainable growth became the priority. That's why she's expanding while countless healthcare startups have shuttered. One final element made everything possible, something every non-technical entrepreneur should notice. Heidi possessed an unfair advantage: not programming ability, not an elite university degree, not Silicon Valley connections. Her deep domain expertise: a practicing physical therapist, an orthopedic specialist. She understood musculoskeletal healthcare at a depth no technical founder could replicate. She wasn't some tech entrepreneur attempting to disrupt healthcare. She was a healthcare professional working to improve patient outcomes. Financial and HR directors believed her because she spoke their language fluently. She inhabited their world. This reveals the fourth lesson. Your domain knowledge outweighs technical abilities. In B2B SaaS, particularly regulated industries like healthcare, buyers prefer working with people who understand their challenges intimately. Learning to code isn't prerequisite. Leverage existing knowledge. Use no-code platforms to materialize your solution. Heidi's exact playbook, taking her from zero to $2 million in revenue. If you believe technical skills are mandatory for SaaS success, Heidi's journey proves otherwise. If this inspired you to take action on your own SaaS idea, do me a favor and subscribe. We're building a community of builders who are done making excuses and ready to launch.